I'm about to show you how easy it is to create design using Canva. I'm going to do this in less than 10 minutes. You really don't need to sign up for a course to learn how to use Canva. I will show you how to use Canva to create a design in this video. Hey everybody, I'm Temidayo. I'm here to give you the tools you need to grow your earning ability and increase your net worth. In this video, I'm going to cover from start to finish on how you can create an account to designing your first graphics on Canva. And Canva is built for people and teams who want to design absolutely anything from logos and social media content to documents, prints, and more. Now, there are tons of templates to choose from. You don't need to design from scratch. If you want to see more videos like this, please like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Now go to canva.com. all right, now on the canva.com you get to already see what the layout is about. Now it's sign up. If that is, you have already signed up for this account, so I'm going to go to login. This is exactly a similar thing you're going to see, or yours might just look a bit like this. Okay, so let's sign in and let's begin. When you sign in, this is exactly what you'll be met with on the Canva platform. All right, now let's quickly run through the tools on this very homepage. Now on the homepage of canva.com, you have recommended for you. These are designs that Canva already recommend for you, options for you to choose from. If it's, for presentation, social media design, even video, you can do videos on Canva, marketing, whatever it is that you want to look into. You can do all of that. There are a lot of design, infographics, photo collage, and a lot more. You can go through that at your own spare time. Now on the left tab, you have all your designs. Now this is where your designs are going to be placed. Now I already made this design, so that's why it's showing you, and this is exactly what we are going to be doing in this video. All right, now, okay, shared with you. Now, if there are templates that have been shared with you by your client, you're going to see all of that here. Okay, brand kits. This brand kit is a pro version, but you also have the opportunity to add your brand logo, your brand color, and a brand font. Okay, now let's move on. Now, content planner is also an important tool in case you want to schedule whatever it is that you want to do. A lot of this has to do with the pro version. Okay, in case you want to schedule posts to social media and all of that, you can do that from Canva as well, but you can also use it to organize your work, okay, for free. Okay, that's that. Then create a team here in case you want to personalize your team with your brand mix, all your team members feel at home and all of that, so that they all know what they are working with. You can do that right here. All right. Yes, folder. All your folders should be organized. Okay, this is where you organize everything that you work with on Canva. Okay, now there's the option for your designs, all your designs. Now there are templates that you probably like, maybe while designing a particular design. Once you like it, they all come into this likes folder. Okay, if there are images that you bought right on Canva, which are $1 each, they are all going to go into that folder. If there are images that you have deleted, they'll be in trash. Now upload, these are the images that you've uploaded, they will be in that section. All right, so that is a bit about everything that you have on the home page of our. Now if we are going straight into the design for the day. Okay, I want you to stick to the end of this video, like this video. All right, if you love the content I'm sharing with you, leave a comment below for videos or things that you would like to see me show to you on Canva on how to use it, and I'm going to put a video up for you. All right, we're going to create a design now. This search feature is the best thing ever on Canva, okay, in my own opinion, because you can search virtually for anything that you want to create or design. All right, whatever template, you can just type it in here and it's going to bring you options just the same way you type on Google. Okay, you're looking for stuff, you can also do that here on Canva. The search feature is just one of a kind. All right, it's something that everyone should really work or use with. It will save you a lot of time searching for templates. Okay, just use that. So let's create a design. We are doing at this time, our design is going to be on or YouTube thumbnail. All right, so I'm going to type YouTube. You can see I have several options of what I can do on YouTube. We're going straight with YouTube thumbnail. All right, it's going to load up on a blank page. All right, you can see welcome to the new elements tab. Okay, so I'm going to close that up so that we get to look at it ourselves. Okay, here's the templates tab. Template, you have element tab. The template tabs here, you can pick any template that you want. Okay, here's the canvas where you're going to be working with. Canva calls it pages. All right, so on this page, this plus icon, if you want to, after creating a design, you can click on the plus icon to create a duplicate of your design and it will go to the next page. Okay, now if you want to add a blank page, you do add page. All right, so let's go over this again. We have elements in case you want to add background, flowers, icons, and all of that. You find a lot of them here. Okay, they are even grouped into different sections, lines, graphics, photos, videos, audio. There's a lot you can do here. Even chat for your presentation, you can also have them here. Frames as well. Frames are very interesting because when you place them, you can add images within those frames as well. All right, if you have worked with any objects in the element section, they're all going to show up in the recently used, so that it will be easy for you to access. Uploads, all the images that you've uploaded will be here. I've only uploaded one image for the design that we're going to make. That's why you see it here. Okay, text, you have different text, free text to use from. The ones with this crown, I'm showing pro, they are for the pro version. Okay, now in the link below, there's a free trial, 30 days. Just click on that link in case you want to try out the pro version to have some experience or feel of how to use it. You can find that right there. All right, quickly, let's go into our design. There are other tools here. Okay, and the first thing I think you should do is give your design a name. We are doing YouTube thumbnail, but what type of YouTube thumbnail? We're doing how to make pancakes. Okay, that's what we're going to be working with. Here's a blank canvas. Now I can just come up here and search for YouTube thumbnails. All right, and it's going to give me a lot of ideas to pick from. Free options to choose from. All right, so I can pick one and customize it or design one from scratch. Okay, let's design one from scratch. We already have the layout here. Okay, so we need an image of a pancake, of course. Okay, now let's see if we can get a pancake here. Pancake. Now we have two images here, but they appear to be pro versions, and we need something free to use. So that's because if you apply this, it's going to put a watermark, and of course we don't want that. All right, there are places, websites you can get free images. One of them is Pixels or pixels.com. You go in there and you can find an image and download one. I've already downloaded one. You can download one and upload it here. You come to upload media, then upload from device. If it's in your computer, if it's in any of these drives, you can click on it, connect it, and upload here. Or simply put, once you download it, you can just drag it and place right here. Okay, so it is that easy. Okay, as you can see, it is that easy. All right, I'm going to go straight into my my downloads folder. Okay, where I already have this image. Okay, so I'm going to drag it, and see, I can make it fill the entire page, or I can make it little. So you snap it, then it fills up. All right, so we're going to quickly pick a text. So the text we're going to use is going to be something that talks about exactly, that attracts the viewer to what we are trying to achieve. Okay, so we're going to look for, want to use, this is free. I think we can use this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to call this pancake. Okay, pancake. All right, call this recipe. Okay, fantastic. All right, I think this is already a good thumbnail. It's simple, and I think anyone who is interested in knowing the recipe for a pancake would want to click on this image. All right, to make this also easy, you can also add an element. All right, so let's add an element. Okay, just to give it a bit of background, or make it more prominent, make the text more prominent. Awesome. But if you look at it, it looks like we've covered the entire image. Now if you want to do any edit of the text or change the font, you can always do that here. Okay, on this bar up here, you can make your customization and stuff like that. Okay, yes. Okay, so let me make this a little bit transparent. Now this is a transparency. You can reduce it, okay, just to give it a bit of a feel. All right, now we have our thumbnail. Now when you're done with your design, you just go on, hit the download button, and you have the option to download it as JPEG, as PDF, all for free. Okay, you are not paying anything to do this. Okay, then you hit the download, then it downloads straight, it processes the image, okay, and it downloads straight into your system, and here is your completed work. Now if you have received value, comment below. Okay, things that you would like to see. If you want me to create any design on Canva for you, leave a comment below and I'm going to do that right for you. All right, thank you and bye.